Morning all, thanks for your like and subscription. I really appreciate you all. Alright, I welcome you to today's Memefi daily secret code. Alright, so as you can see on screen, I've already divided the part of this particular bot into the parts 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so before we begin to unravel today's code, let's head to the booster tab and make sure to activate this offline bot. Okay, so now let's head back here and tap our coin. So the code for today is 3312, just like yesterday, which is chest head mouth. Just follow the numbering on screen. So I'm going to do just that now. 3312. Okay, that's what I have. As you can see, I have my rewards. For any reason, if you don't get where I tapped on, so I'm going to take it slow this time around. 3 3 1 2. So just following the numbering on screen. All right, so I'm going to show you for another level now so that you see exactly how it works on other level as well. For level 6, follow the same numbering as visible on screen to you. So the code is chest cap mouth, chest cap mouth. So 3 3 1 2. So that's what I have. So let's see if we're able to get the reward for this level. As you can see on screen, we have our rewards here. So if you're just getting to see this channel and you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any important information. And as you know, Gems coin snapshot is around the corner. I'll actually put out a video on that explaining what that means.